Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that so many of us struggle with, the dreaded post-wax bumps. You leave the salon feeling smooth and fabulous, but within a day, your skin is angry, red, and covered in little bumps. It's frustrating, right? Well, today, I'm sharing my foolproof, exact post-wax skincare routine that will give you 0 bumps in just 24 hours. If you want that silky smooth confident feeling to last, you're in the right place. Let's get right into it. The moment you walk out of your waxing appointment, the clock starts ticking. The first 24 hours are absolutely critical for preventing irritation and those annoying bumps. Your skin is vulnerable, your pores are open, and it needs some serious TLC. The biggest mistake people make is either doing too much or doing nothing at all. We're going to find that perfect balance today. The goal is to calm, soothe, and protect the skin to ensure it heals beautifully. So, what are the absolute essentials you need in your post-wax kit? It's simpler than you think. You need something to cool and soothe the initial redness, a product to keep bacteria at bay without clogging pores, and a gentle moisturizer to hydrate and help repair your skin's barrier. We'll break down exactly what products work best and when to use them. Think of it as a step-by-step guide to flawless skin. We'll also cover some amazing natural remedies like aloe vera and tea tree oil, and how to use them effectively. Alright, let's break down the 24-hour routine. The very first thing to do when you get home is to apply a cold compress. This is non-negotiable. You can use a clean washcloth soaked in cold water or an ice pack wrapped in a thin towel. Apply it to the waxed area for about 10 to 15 minutes. This simple step works wonders to reduce inflammation, redness, and start closing those open pores. It instantly soothes that warm, throbbing sensation and is your first line of defense against irritation. Don't skip this, it's a game changer. After cooling the skin, we need to address bacteria. Your open follicles are a gateway for bacteria, which is a primary cause of post-wax bumps, also known as folliculitis. The key is to use a gentle, antibacterial product. I highly recommend a product containing tea tree oil. A few drops of tea tree oil mixed into a carrier oil like jojoba, or a pre-made tea tree solution can be gently patted onto the skin. Avoid harsh alcohols or heavily fragranced lotions, as they will only cause more irritation. You want something that purifies without stripping or inflaming the skin. This step helps prevent those little white-headed bumps from ever forming. Now, let's talk about what to avoid in those first 24 to 48 hours. This is just as important as what you do. First, no hot baths, saunas, or steam rooms. Heat will only increase inflammation and keep your pores open. Opt for a cool or lukewarm shower instead. Second, avoid tight-fitting clothing. Your skin needs to breathe. Friction from tight jeans or synthetic fabrics can lead to major irritation and ingrown hairs. Choose loose, cotton clothing to let air circulate freely. And third, no heavy exercise. Sweat is your enemy right now. It can introduce bacteria into your open follicles and lead to breakouts. Take a rest day from the gym. Your skin will thank you. Another common question is about exfoliation. When is the right time to start exfoliating after a wax? The answer is, not right away. Your skin is already freshly exfoliated from the waxing process itself. Exfoliating too soon will be way too aggressive and will damage your skin's protective barrier. You should wait at least 48 to 72 hours before you even think about picking up a scrub or a chemical exfoliant. Once you do start, be gentle. A mild chemical exfoliant with glycolic or salicylic acid is often better than a harsh physical scrub for preventing ingrown hairs in the long run. We'll dive deeper into preventing ingrowns in a bit. Let's discuss hydration. While we want to avoid heavy pore-clogging creams immediately after waxing, your skin still needs moisture to heal. The key is to use a lightweight, non-comedogenic, and fragrance-free moisturizer. Look for ingredients that repair the skin barrier, like ceramides, or soothing ingredients like aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is a superstar for post-wax care. It's cooling, anti-inflammatory, and hydrating all at once. Make sure you're using 100% pure aloe vera gel, not a green-dyed concoction full of alcohol and fragrance. Gently apply a thin layer to help your skin recover without suffocating it. So, let's put it all together into a step-by-step evening routine for the day of your wax. You get home. Step 1. Apply a cold compress for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 2. Gently cleanse the area in a cool shower with a mild fragrance-free soap, if you must, but often just cool water is enough. Pat the skin dry with a clean, soft towel, no rubbing. Step 3. Apply your gentle antiseptic, like a diluted tea tree oil solution. Let it absorb. Step 4. Apply a thin layer of a soothing lightweight hydrator, like pure aloe vera gel. And finally, Step 5. Put on your loosest, most comfortable cotton pajamas, and get a good night's sleep. How you sleep matters, too. Try to avoid sleeping in a position that puts a lot of pressure or friction on the freshly waxed area. Now, let's focus on preventing ingrown hairs, which is a major long-term goal. The best way to prevent them naturally is through consistent, gentle exfoliation and proper hydration. Starting about 2 to 3 days after your wax, begin exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week. This removes the dead skin cells that can trap new hairs under the surface. Follow up every single day with a good moisturizer. Hydrated, supple skin allows the hair to grow through more easily. If you are prone to ingrowns, using a product with salicylic acid can be incredibly effective as it exfoliates inside the pore. For those with sensitive or mature skin, aftercare is even more crucial. Your skin's barrier might be more delicate and take longer to recover. Be extra gentle and prioritize barrier-repairing ingredients. Look for lotions with ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid in the days following your wax. These ingredients will help rebuild your skin's defenses and keep it plump and hydrated, which can also help the recovery process seem quicker and smoother. The confidence boost you get from having clear, smooth, bump-free skin is incredible. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. Taking these simple aftercare steps makes all the difference. To recap the secret to zero bumps in 24 hours, immediately cool the skin. Keep it clean with a gentle antiseptic. Avoid heat, friction, and sweat, and hydrate with a lightweight, soothing gel like aloe vera. Then, after a couple of days, begin a routine of gentle exfoliation to prevent ingrown hairs. It's a simple but powerful routine that protects your skin when it's most vulnerable. Whether you go to a salon or wax at home, this aftercare protocol is your ticket to a perfect, smooth finish every single time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this detailed guide helps you say goodbye to post-wax bumps for good. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let me know in the comments if you have any other post-wax tips or questions. See you in the next one. Bye.